Hey everybody, this is Melvin with TechRental 24/7, and in today's video we want to show you how to add photos to your Galaxy Watch 4. So of course, for demonstration purposes, we have our Galaxy Watch 4 here, and as you can see, it comes in a silver. The Galaxy Watch 4 also comes in black. Now if you guys are interested, we will leave links for you down in the description area. You can pick it up for a pretty good price on Amazon. And so what we want to do, like we said, we want to add photos to our Galaxy Watch 4. And so just to show you that we don't have any photos on the watch right now, we're going to open it up and look to see. And so what you do is scroll up from the bottom to get to your icons. And we're going to scroll up looking for the gallery icon, which is the red one there with the flower on it. So tap on it to open it. And as you can see, we don't have any photos in our gallery at the moment. And so what we want to do is tap on add images, and what that does is prompt our phone so we can add images from our device. Now most of the time you won't see that message because you may have already have photos on it. So we're going to show you how to get to that screen also straight with the phone, not using the watch. And so we're going to set our watch back down here. And we're going to go here and grab our device. So the device we're using today is the Galaxy Flip 3, which is a great device. We will leave links for you down in the description area also if you're interested in it. And so if we were to come out of this real quick, we're going to close that. The way you would get to that particular screen, you need to get to your Galaxy Wearable app. And so on my device, I have it in my Samsung folder. So tap on our Samsung folder and you'll see the Galaxy Wearable app. So open the Galaxy Wearable app and you scroll down to where you will see watch settings. Open that and then go on down to where you will see manage content. Open that, and once that's open, you'll see at the lower part here where it says gallery, it says add images. So we're going to tap on that, add images. And we're going to go to our car and trucks folder. And once we open that, we're going to choose a photo. Let's go ahead and go with this white Corvette. And so that's one photo. As you can see, you can add up to 200 photos at one time. And once we've added that photo, it puts it at the top of the screen there. You hit done and it shows the photo and it starts to download it. You get a notification saying one image has been added to the watch. We're going to close that and go back to the watch. We're going to pick up our Galaxy Watch 4, turn it on. We're going to swipe up from the bottom, go back to our gallery to see if it has been downloaded. And as you can see, we have an icon there of the Corvette. If we were to tap on it and open it up, you can see the picture of the Corvette there. And so hit our back button. That's the icon itself. And so that's the only photo we have on our watch. So what we're going to do is go back to a home screen on the watch, set the watch back down. This time we're going to grab our device and we're wanting to, let's add several pictures to our watch. And so again, we're going to go back to our Samsung folder and we're looking for our Galaxy Wearable app. So hit the Wearable app, open it up, scroll down to where you see watch settings, tap on it. Then we're going to go down to where you see manage content, tap on it. And then again, look for where you see gallery, add images, which will put you into your gallery of pictures. We're going to choose the album where it says cars and trucks. This time we're going to add 3 photos. Let's go ahead and let's add this black Mercedes, this red truck, and then we're going to go with this blue Corvette. So we already have 1 photo on our watch. Now we're going to add 3 more, as it said, 3 of 200. And we'll hit done. Those are the 3 photos. As you can see, it's starting to download it, 37%. Now it's at 70%. It's finished and it says 3 images added to watch. Hit our home button. We're going to set our device back down And now we're going to go back to our Galaxy Watch 4. I'm going to turn it on. And then we're going to swipe up from the bottom to get to our icons. And scroll up to look for the gallery icon, which is the red one there with the white flower. Tap on it. As you can see now, we have 4 icons. We have the white Corvette, blue Corvette, red truck, and black Mercedes. So we would touch on the white Corvette, opens the picture up, and then we can scroll to the right. There's the black Mercedes, the red truck, and the blue Corvette. And so you can hit the back button again and see the icon. So we have a total of 4 pictures on our Galaxy Watch 4. So that's about it for our video for today. How to add photos to your Galaxy Watch 4. So hopefully we shared something that you can use and something that was beneficial. If so, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below and hit the like button. And don't forget to hit the bell icon too, so you'll be notified of new content as soon as we release it. And again, this is Melvin with Tech Running 24/7, bringing you technology that's on the move. Thanks.